Good morning, class. Hoping that you all are fine and safe at your place. So, today we'll be doing the part 3 of third chapter, that is changes in transport system. So, before we start the new topic, let us recall what we have learned in our last class. So, in our last class, we have discussed about the early means of transport and the modern means of transport. And in today's video, we will discuss about the inventions and modification in the modes of transport. So, in that series, first was wheel. It was invented 5000 years ago. When it was invented 5000 years ago, and after some time, wheel cart was also made, in which goods and loads could be transported over long distance, right? Because of the wheel cars, we can transport lots of goods and transport for a long distance. Here you can see in the picture the modification of wheels over the period of a time. First, wheel was made of stone, after that made of woods, then add some spokes into it, and now in the image you can see the modification of wheel. You can say how the wheel look like in a present time. The second one is the sailing ship. For thousands of years, sailing ships moved because of winds. Okay, how sailing ships moved? Because of winds. Then Chinese invented sail. Now the question coming in your mind, what is sail? In the image you can see on the ship there's a white part that's called sail. Okay, that allowed ships to move against the wind. Also invented a compass to help sailor. Firstly, what sails do? Okay, sails help us to move the ship against the wind. And what compass do? Compass, it is an instrument containing the magnetic pointer which shows the direction. तो कंपास किस चीज़ में हेल्प करता है? इट शोज द डायरेक्शन. So because of this compass, sailors could find that in which direction they are sailing, and also because of all the technology like sail and compass, so sailors now could sail for a longer distance. Okay. Third one is the steam engine, the most important invention in the history of transport. Steam engine use steam energy from water that is boiled by a coal fire. Okay, and steam engine were used in trains and ships. Also, children, you must have seen in the movies that in earlier time people using this train with having a steam engine. Also, it made travel cheaper. Okay. Because of the steam engine, people can travel for a long distance with a limited amount. Now the next one is motor car. First motor car name is Model T Ford by the Henry Ford. It was made in America. Okay, first motor car was made in America, and this invention changed the way many people travel all over the world. This is all about the motor car. Now the next one is aeroplane. First aeroplane was built by American brothers. The name was Wilbur and the Orville Wright in 1903. First airplane was made in 1903 by the American brothers. Plane was called Flyer 1 and flew for 12 seconds before it crashed. Okay, and this invention was the start of air travel. Okay, what was called Flyer 1? As you can see the white part. Okay, this is called a Flyer 1, and which can flew for only for 12 seconds. And after this invention, the air travel was started. Next one is the rocket technology, the most important invention of the last 100 years, right? Because of this, humans can travel into space. Okay, children, this was all about the invention. Also, will sending you one video about the history of transportation, so you can see that video before this or after this. Okay, that will also help you to know the more inventions. Okay, now we'll discuss about the benefit of cycling. Okay, so there are a lots of benefit of cycling. Because of cycling and walking, we can strengthen our hearts. Also, it reduce the lower risk of diseases, help to lose weight, and gives us energy. This help us to stay fit. Also, cycling help us to breathe deeper. Okay, and our body, and increase our body temperature. Our heart, blood vessels, and lungs all get a workout. All this keeps us physically fit and healthy. This is all about the benefit of cycling and walking. So we should walk and do cycling every time, means whenever you will get the time. Okay, because that is very important for your health. We know that we have a modern means of transport. For that we can go anywhere in a less time, but also we should take care of our health. So how we can take care of our health? With the help of cycling and walking, and also how you makes you fit. Okay, आप अपने आप को कैसे fit रखते हो, that is also important. Now we'll discuss about the means of transport and air pollution. Okay, also the modern means of transport have given lots of advantage, but also it has some demerits too. Okay, so while the modern means of transport have improved our lifestyle, right, they have caused serious problems too, because with the help of the modern means of transport, you can see the lots of pollutions are coming from the vehicle. Okay, and that is smoke from the vehicle add harmful substances to the air we breathe. This makes the air polluted. Also, if we breathe this air polluted air, we can have diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, and the lung cancer. So it is necessary to reduce the use of motor transport to control pollution. Also, we can adapt some healthier ways of traveling, such as cycling, walking, or using a public transport. Okay, children, so this is all about the changes in the transport system. Now your chapter is over. Okay, so if you have any confusion in any topic, so you can ask me in a comment box. And do revision with all the videos. Till then, do take care of yourself and stay fit, stay healthy, and be connected. Good day, children.